A brand new update from the National Hurricane Center. They actually gave us an intermediate advisory. So originally this would come at 7 a.m. Notice they did this at 6 a.m. So just moments ago, because Hurricane Milton is now a major hurricane. Remember, we've been talking about this rapid intensification that was expected to happen today to go to a Cat 2, from a Cat 2 to a Cat 4, and that's already unfolding. So major Hurricane Milton just happened, and now it's expected by the afternoon. Take a look at that 1 o'clock update, potentially as a Cat 4. Remains a Cat 4 throughout Tuesday into Wednesday as well, and maybe just before making landfall, then drops to a Category 3. But either way, we're expecting a major hurricane, Category 3 or potentially Category 4, along the west coast of Florida, I think overnight from Wednesday into Thursday. Right now, maximum sustained winds at 120 miles per hour. I mean, life-threatening conditions expected to unfold again across the state of Florida. This has a little bit of a different path. Once it makes landfall, it's going to quickly then move right back out into the open waters of the Atlantic. And the reason is all connected with this cold front. You know, you can think of a cold front kind of like an arm where it's just ushering any moisture away from us. And that's why we're going to have clear skies. We'll have low relative humidity, but really all of the energy is heading toward Florida. By, again, Thursday midday, I think already Milton will be back in the open waters of the Atlantic. But Jen, a lot to unfold expected for Florida. On over to you.
So serious.